Imagine a world where the boundaries of human potential are expanded by technology in ways we've only dreamed about. That world is no longer far off, it's happening right now, and at the heart of it all is artificial intelligence. Healthcare, one of the most sacred and vital sectors of our lives, is being transformed before our eyes. This is not just an evolution, it's a revolution, and we are all a part of it. Now think about this, every day people wake up to face pain, illness, and uncertainty. But with AI, we're empowering healthcare professionals to make more accurate decisions faster than ever before. We're talking about machines that can analyze medical data at lightning speed, predict diseases before they even manifest, and personalize treatment plans to suit each individual's unique needs. No longer will we have to rely on a one-size-fits-all approach. AI is giving us the ability to treat people as individuals, to understand them on a deeper level, and to help them thrive. But here's the kicker, this is only the beginning. AI doesn't just have the potential to change healthcare, it's creating a new kind of healthcare that is smarter, faster, and more human than ever before. Imagine a doctor who can access the collective knowledge of the world's top medical minds in an instant. Imagine having data-driven insights that give doctors and patients the tools to take control of their health in ways that were previously unimaginable. With AI, that's not just a dream, that's a reality. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by how rapidly things are changing. We've all been there unsure of how to navigate the unknown. But let me tell you, this is our opportunity to step up. This is our chance to embrace the future, to not just survive, but to thrive. Healthcare is being redefined, and we are the ones who will drive it forward. The technology is here. The vision is clear. Now it's up to us to leverage it to create a healthier, more vibrant world. You may ask, what can I do? You have everything within you to be a part of this movement. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a technologist, or someone who simply believes in the power of transformation, your contribution matters. We must remain curious, stay engaged, and have the courage to adapt. The power of AI in healthcare is limitless, but only if we continue to evolve with it, take risks, and be bold enough to believe that we can make the world better. This is your moment. The future of healthcare is being written right now, and you're a part of the story. AI isn't just changing healthcare, it's changing lives. Let's not stand by and watch, let's lead the charge. Together, we will harness the power of artificial intelligence to create a world where healthcare is accessible, affordable, and above all, truly transformative. The future is here and it's brighter than ever. Let's step into it with confidence and conviction. We are standing at the intersection of possibility and innovation. Think about the lives that will be saved, the pain that will be alleviated, and the suffering that will be avoided because we dared to push the limits of what was thought possible. AI is giving us the opportunity to do what we could never do alone: empower people, prevent diseases, and personalize care to an unimaginable degree. The future of healthcare is no longer about simply treating symptoms. It's about prevention, precision, and optimization of human well-being. Imagine a world where no one waits months for a diagnosis. A world where a patient's condition is understood almost immediately, thanks to real-time data analyzed by AI-driven systems. With the power of AI, doctors no longer have to be limited by the data they can physically access or process. Instead, we are entering an era where healthcare is predictive, preventive, and always evolving. AI learns, it adapts, and most importantly, it empowers us to make faster and better decisions. But here's the most exciting part: this transformation is not just happening in big hospitals or elite medical institutions. This revolution is accessible to everyone. Whether you live in a bustling city or in a remote village, AI is going to break down barriers, connecting people with healthcare that was once out of reach. It's creating a future where medical expertise and treatment can be available to anyone, anywhere. We're looking at a future where distance doesn't mean delay and resources are no longer a limitation. And let's not forget that AI is not replacing doctors or nurses, it's amplifying them. It's empowering healthcare professionals with more tools, more insights, and more time to focus on what matters most: their patients. AI is a partner, not a competitor. It is here to enhance human intelligence, not to replace it. Together, we can tackle problems that once seemed insurmountable and provide care in ways we never thought possible. But what about you, the person listening right now? Do you see the opportunity in front of you? The revolution is happening and you have the power to be a part of it. Whether you're an innovator in technology, a healthcare provider on the front lines, or someone with the passion to bring about change, this is your time. The tools are here, the stage is set. You don't have to wait for the future to come to you, you can help create it. Now, I know there will be challenges. Change always brings resistance. There will be moments when the road ahead seems unclear and it will feel like we're facing insurmountable odds. But in these moments, remember this: innovation requires belief. It requires the willingness to step into the unknown, to fail, learn, and keep pushing forward. Every great leap in human history has been made by people who refuse to let doubt stand in their way. We're on the brink of something massive. AI isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst. It's igniting change in ways we could never have imagined. Every breakthrough, every new possibility brings us closer to a world where healthcare is not a privilege but a right, a world where everyone has the chance to live their healthiest, happiest life. So I ask you, are you ready to be a part of this change? Are you ready to embrace the future, to harness the power of artificial intelligence to transform healthcare forever? The future is in our hands. The choice is ours. Together, let's step into this new era with courage, with purpose, and with an unwavering belief that we can make the world a healthier, better place for all. Let's make history. The revolution is here. Let's own it. The future of healthcare isn't just a vision. It's a tangible reality that's unfolding before our eyes. It's happening right now in laboratories and hospitals and in the research and development rooms where brilliant minds are coming together to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The tools we once thought were beyond our reach, advanced algorithms, real-time data processing, and predictive analytics are now available to us. And they are transforming the way we live, the way we heal, and the way we care for one another. But let's take a moment to truly grasp the enormity of this change. For centuries, healthcare has been focused on one thing, reacting to illness. Doctors and nurses have been the heroes who battled disease and injury on the front lines. But now, thanks to AI, we are shifting from a reactive model to a proactive one. Imagine a world where we don't just treat sickness, but prevent it. A world where we can detect the early stages of disease before symptoms even appear, giving people the chance to make lifestyle changes or receive treatment before it's too late. Artificial intelligence has the power to process and analyze data at a scale and speed that no human ever could. It can sift through millions of medical records, scientific papers, and clinical studies, drawing connections and insights that are beyond human comprehension. That means AI can provide us with a clearer, more accurate picture of a patient's health. It can guide doctors with personalized recommendations based on the most up-to-date information. It can help them make decisions that save lives. But the most important part of this shift is that AI isn't doing this in isolation. It's working alongside human expertise, enhancing the judgment, compassion, and intuition that are at the heart of healthcare. We must recognize that AI is not a replacement. It is a tool, a powerful tool that allows us to elevate our care, to expand our reach, and to serve more people in more meaningful ways. What excites me most is that we are no longer confined by geography or scarcity of resources. A healthcare revolution that was once the privilege of the few is now being democratized. AI is bridging the gaps between the world's most advanced medical centers and the remotest corners of the globe. Whether it's through telemedicine, remote monitoring, or AI-powered diagnostic tools, healthcare is becoming more accessible to everyone. A person in a small village in the middle of nowhere can now receive the same quality of care as someone in the world's leading hospitals. That's power. That's transformation. And think about this: as AI continues to evolve, it will get better at understanding not just the medical side of health, but the human side. It will integrate not just medical records, but personal habits, lifestyle choices, and emotional well-being into a holistic view of health. We won't just be treating a condition, we'll be treating the person in all their complexity with a level of precision and empathy that was once impossible. The potential is limitless. It's exciting to think about how AI will redefine how we approach mental health, chronic illness, and even aging. We are beginning to develop technologies that can predict how diseases will progress, tailor treatment regimens for each patient, and even identify ways to slow down the aging process. In the near future, we may be able to extend life expectancy, improve quality of life, and ensure that people live longer, healthier lives. This is your time. This is our time. The power of AI in healthcare is not just a technical breakthrough. It's a movement, a calling, an opportunity for us to take charge of our future. We can no longer wait for the world to change around us. We must be the ones to change it. We have the tools. We have the knowledge. And now we have the drive to make a difference. Together, we will push the boundaries, rewrite the rules, and create a future where healthcare is not just a service, but a catalyst for personal and global transformation. There will be moments of doubt. There will be challenges along the way. But let me tell you something: the greatest victories come when we dare to face the unknown, when we choose to believe in the power of human ingenuity, and when we trust that the best is yet to come. We are not just witnessing a revolution in healthcare, we are the ones creating it. So I ask you once again, are you ready? Are you ready to stand on the front lines of this transformation and be the change? Are you ready to take AI's hand and use it to shape the future of healthcare for generations to come? The future is here and it's calling us to rise to the occasion. Let's step forward together and make healthcare better, smarter, and more human than ever before. We are at a pivotal moment in history where technology is unlocking doors we once thought were sealed forever. In the past, when we thought about healthcare, we thought about hospitals, doctors, nurses, and the systems that have long supported them. Today, the very fabric of healthcare is being rewoven, not just through innovation, but through a revolution that puts the power of knowledge, access, and precision into the hands of individuals everywhere. And at the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. AI is not simply about automating tasks or improving efficiency. It's about understanding the deepest nuances of human health and empowering us to make decisions that save lives. Imagine a world where we no longer wait for disease to take hold before we intervene. With AI, we have the ability to predict, prevent, and personalize care at levels we've never seen before. Imagine a machine learning algorithm that analyzes every patient's unique medical history, genetics, and lifestyle data and uses that information to recommend a personalized treatment plan. This isn't science fiction, this is happening today, and it's happening because of the limitless potential that AI brings to the table. As we stand at the intersection of healthcare and technology, we must remember that AI is an extension of our own intelligence. It's not a replacement for human doctors, it's an amplifier of their abilities. It allows doctors to make faster, more informed decisions, freeing them from routine tasks so they can focus on what really matters, connecting with patients, understanding their needs, and providing the care and empathy that only humans can provide. AI is also breaking down the walls of inequity that have existed for so long in healthcare. It's no longer just the wealthy, the well-connected, or those who live near the world's top medical centers who get the best care. AI is helping to democratize healthcare. A patient in a remote part of the world can now access the same level of diagnostic precision and the same cutting-edge treatments as someone in the most advanced hospitals. AI-powered telemedicine and mobile health solutions are making healthcare more accessible to underserved populations, bridging gaps and creating a more equitable world. But beyond improving access and efficiency, AI in healthcare offers something even more profound. It's providing the tools to transform lives. Think about the chronic conditions that affect millions of people across the globe, be diabetes, heart disease, cancer. AI is giving us the ability to detect these diseases earlier when they are more treatable. It's allowing us to monitor patients in real time, adjusting treatments on the fly based on the latest data. It's empowering patients to take control of their own health in ways that were previously unimaginable. Through wearable devices, smart health trackers, and AI-driven apps, individuals can now receive real-time feedback about their physical well-being, manage their health more effectively, and even prevent major health crises before they occur. This is the future we've dreamed about, a world where healthcare is proactive, personalized, and driven by data, powered by AI, and led by passionate, empathetic professionals who are committed to improving lives. But in order to reach that future, we must come together and take ownership of it. We must be bold enough to embrace change, brave enough to break through old paradigms, and determined enough to push forward despite the obstacles we may face. We are at the threshold of a new era. And as with any era of transformation, there will be uncertainty, fear, and resistance. People will ask, can AI really replace the human touch? They will wonder whether it can be trusted to make life or death decisions. But here's the truth, AI doesn't replace the human heart, it amplifies it. It's a tool that helps doctors be more present, more accurate, and more efficient. It's a tool that enhances the power of human compassion, making it possible for healthcare professionals to spend more time connecting with their patients, understanding their stories, and helping them navigate their health journeys. You are part of this revolution. You are a crucial player in this transformation. Whether you are a scientist, a healthcare worker, an entrepreneur, or simply someone passionate about making a difference in the world, you have a role to play in reshaping healthcare. Together, we can create a future where healthcare is not just something we react to, but something we can actively shape, improve, and take ownership of. A future where illness is detected before it manifests, where patients are empowered to live healthier lives, and where healthcare is available to all, regardless of where they live or what they can afford. The time to act is now, the technology is here, the vision is clear, and the opportunity is ours to seize. Together, we can use AI to push the boundaries of what's possible and create a world where healthcare is more accessible, more personalized, and more effective than we ever imagined. Let's rise to the occasion, face the challenges head on, and create a future where the health of every individual is our collective responsibility and greatest priority. The journey may not be easy, but with AI at our side, there is nothing we cannot achieve. Now, more than ever, it's time for us to stand up, lean into the future, and make it ours. The world is waiting for us to step forward, and together we will change healthcare forever. We are living in a time when innovation is not just on the horizon, it's here. And with every breakthrough, every advancement, we are witnessing the power of artificial intelligence transform the world of healthcare in ways that once seemed impossible. But here's the truth. This is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about you, me, and every individual who benefits from the healthcare system. It's about empowering ourselves to make the best possible decisions, to live longer, healthier lives, and to give the next generation a world that is even better than the one we inherited. Every time we make progress, it's another step closer to a healthcare system that is not reactive but anticipatory. AI's ability to predict health trends, spot early warning signs, and recommend personalized treatments is not just changing how we treat diseases, it's changing how we think about healthcare itself. It's helping us move from a place where we react to sickness to a place where we actively manage and optimize our health. Picture a future where we no longer have to wait for a diagnosis. A future where doctors, armed with the full power of AI, can identify early indicators of disease, such as cancer or heart disease, long before symptoms appear. The precision AI offers gives doctors the ability to make decisions based on data, not guesswork. No more waiting weeks for test results or uncertain diagnosis. Everything we need to know is right at our fingertips, available in real time. And that's just the beginning. The true potential of AI in healthcare goes beyond diagnosing and treating disease. It's about creating a world where individuals are empowered to take charge of their own health. Through wearable devices, smart health apps, and continuous monitoring, AI will give people a level of insight into their own health that they never thought possible. No longer will we be passive participants in our own well-being. We'll have real-time data about everything from our heart rate to our stress levels, allowing us to make informed decisions and adopt healthier lifestyles long before problems arise. But let's talk about something even more powerful, the human connection. We've all seen the miracles that doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers perform every day, but we've also seen how stretched they can become, overwhelmed by the sheer volume of patients, the complexity of cases, and the administrative burdens that come with modern healthcare. AI can help lift this weight off their shoulders. It will allow healthcare professionals to focus on what they do best, care for people. AI will handle repetitive tasks, sift through mountains of data, and provide insights, leaving doctors and nurses with more time to engage with patients, listen to their concerns, and provide the empathetic care that makes all the difference in the world. But here's the key. AI will not be limited to only the privileged or those in developed nations. This revolution in healthcare will break down barriers of accessibility, geography, and cost. For too long, the most cutting-edge treatments, the best medical advice, and the most advanced technologies have been out of reach for millions of people. That's changing now. Thanks to AI, we will see a world where high-quality healthcare is not a privilege for the few, but a right for all. Telemedicine, AI-powered diagnostics, and mobile health solutions will create a level playing field, giving people across the globe access to the care they deserve. Now, let me ask you this. What role do you want to play in this transformation? The possibilities are limitless, but it will take all of us to unlock them. Whether you're working directly in healthcare, technology, or simply as a person who believes in the power of change, your involvement matters. There's a place for every single one of us in this revolution. Whether you're coding the next AI breakthrough, providing healthcare to communities in need, or supporting policies that promote equitable access to this new technology, we all have something to contribute. But transformation isn't easy. It requires us to be bold, to take risks, to make tough decisions, and to keep moving forward even when things get difficult. It requires a mindset that says, we're not waiting for the future to come to us, we're creating it. Every step we take, no matter how small, is a step toward a healthier, more vibrant world where every person has the opportunity to live their best life. This is the time to be part of something bigger than ourselves, something that has the potential to change the lives of billions. Together, we can create a world where health is no longer a battle, it's a way of life. Where the power of AI brings about better diagnoses, more personalized treatments, and smarter decisions. Where we're not just treating the sick, but preventing illness before it even starts. The future is not a distant dream, it's unfolding right before our eyes. And it's not just about technology. It's about us, the people who care, the people who are willing to work together, push boundaries, and bring this vision to life. So I ask you, What will your role be in this incredible journey? Will you stand on the sidelines watching as the world changes around you, or will you be the one who embraces the power of AI to change healthcare forever? The world needs leaders, visionaries, and dreamers who are ready to step into the future with courage and conviction. The time is now. Together, we will change the world. Together, we will transform healthcare forever.